Bankruptcies are reported to the big three credit bureaus by LexisNexis and the other three-party furniture. Bankruptcy will have a huge negative impact on your credit, and previously positive payment history does not change that. In fact, if you have a higher score, you could stand to lose more than if you already have a lower score. A bankruptcy also temporarily wipes out all the goodwill you might have developed with your timely payments. Bankruptcies are considered public records, which is how they are reported on your credit. The public record will remain on your credit report from 3 years up to 10 years. It depends what time of bankruptcy you file in. That time period starts on the day you file the bankruptcy petition.